Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are done with the installation of the Kospet Fit application, and as you can see here, we are already paired with the Kospet Fit. Okay, our Tank S1 is now paired with the Kospet Fit. So this time we are going to check on one of its main features, that is for personalization. So we are going to check the watch face section. We are going to download and check the available watch faces for the Kospet Fit as well as the custom watch faces. So if you have any questions regarding this video tutorial, video demo of the Kospet Tank S1 downloading watch faces and custom watch faces, please drop a comment below and I will try to answer your queries. Okay, so we are ready. So let's check and download the watch face. So as you can see here, okay, it's already preloaded with watch faces. Okay, to change, let's see if we can. Okay, so long pressed. Okay, we have one. Okay, we have, let's start with this one so we can remember. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 4 watch faces is available here in the smartwatch. Okay, tap on to select. You can also go to the settings section. Okay, settings. Here we have the watch face menu. Tap on it and you can select the different watch faces. Okay, here in our support app we also have additional watch faces. Okay, so let's try and install. Okay, so tap on the watch face. Okay, so we have here, okay, selection, categories, dial center, custom dial, and my dial. I guess this one is the downloaded watch faces. Here in the on the dial center, okay, so we have the minimalist, pointer. I think pointer is the analog. We have space, number, mechanical, okay, illustration. Okay, so let's check on first with the, I think pointers for the analog. Let's check with this one, the mechanical. Okay, tap on the more section. It is now downloading several watch faces. Okay, we have at least cool looking watch faces here. So let's select one. Okay, tap on this. Okay, then tap on synchronous dial, and it's now automatically downloading the watch face to our Kospet Tank S1 smartwatch. Okay, so let's wait. 21%, 23. Okay, so let's wait. This is around 67k plus downloads already and 685 kilobyte. Okay, we are on the 90% and we're done. Okay, so beautiful looking watch face here. Okay, from Kospet. Okay, what else do we have here? So let's check. We have the minimalist. How many watch face do we have? We only have 2. We have the pointer. Okay, so let's select the pointer. So we have 1, 2. We have a lot of analog watch faces here. Okay. Okay, let's try to download. Okay. Okay, let's select. Then synchronous. Data preparation and syncing. Syncing watch faces. Okay, we are on 90% and finish. Okay, so we have here an analog watch face. Okay, going back. Space. Let's see how many watch faces do we have. Okay, we only have, we have at least 2, 4, 6, 8 watch faces. We have the number, digital watch face also. We only have 3. Okay, so far very limited in other sections. Okay, but we expect that Kospet will add more on the list of watch faces. Okay, so this one, illustration. Okay, we have Christmas, summer. Okay, we also have here some, I don't know if it's animated, but cartoon-like watch faces. Okay, going to my dial. So these are the two downloaded watch faces that we have. For the custom dial, okay, so we only have one option here. So you can change the background and the font color, but not the position of the time. So select image, album. So let's see, gallery. Okay, our favorite, demo, photo, and crop. And we have here a preview of the watch face. Okay, select the color. Okay, what color? Let's just go to the white color. Then tap on synchronous dial. Data preparation. So let's see. Okay, it's now syncing the watch face to our Kospet Fit smartwatch. Okay, so it's getting closer. Let's see, 90% now. And we are done. Okay, so we have here our custom watch face. So far, everything works. No issues at all. Okay, we have the dial center here. You have the my dial where you can see all the downloaded watch faces, and we also have a custom dial. So far, no issues in downloading and the installation of watch face to our Kospet Tank S1. Okay, so if you love to purchase this smartwatch, it's already available in different shopping sites. Okay, it's also available in the Kospet website. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, specifically the Kospet Tank S1 smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course, we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye!